Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money and turn notification on and off on Premise. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and you can see that Premise is an app for earning money, so you have to complete tasks, mostly surveys, and in that way you can earn money. You can cash out that money after that through PayPal, Coinbase, or mobile top up, and you can turn notifications on and off if you go to your account, which is at the bottom of the screen, and then you can see the notifications option, so you can turn on and off, show notifications, or just simply turn off and on this Premise option. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.